Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch back to classic Facebook page. First, to be able to begin, just go ahead and log in to your Facebook account first. So as you can see, I'm currently onto my Facebook account that has access to my Facebook page. Now we'll have to switch to our Facebook page. Click onto the top right corner of the screen and click onto your page. If you're not seeing your page, click on See All Profiles, then click onto the right page. Just wait for it to be switched, then right after, click onto the top right corner again in here, and then click onto your page again to get redirected onto your profile. So here, onto this part, you should be able to see an option to switch to classic page. So just click onto the three dots here, and you should be able to see that one together onto the settings. So there might be some issues onto some accounts that it doesn't have it anymore. There should be an option in here that says switch back to classic Facebook page. So if you're not seeing it onto your end, just like mine, I'm not seeing it here as well. So I'll have to report this issue to Facebook. So click onto your profile icon again here onto the top right, and then right after, click on help and support. Then click on report a problem and click on help us improve Facebook. Then right after, you'll just have to include in report so that they should be able to take a screenshot as well onto your screen, include in report, and then click on allow. And then right after, you'll just have to choose in an area. So since we're onto our profile, we'll click on profile in here. We're going to type in onto the details that we can switch to classic Facebook page. So you could also add further screenshots as well with the three dots earlier that doesn't have the option. And then you'll just have to click on submit. So this will go ahead and be submitted to Facebook. You'll just have to wait for the response. So you'll receive a notification once they will be able to see your report. And mostly onto this type of report, it takes around 24 hours for them to get back to you. So just keep on checking your notification for any updates. And that is how you could switch back to classic Facebook page. If you think that this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.